At Master Repairing, we provide professional solutions for all your key and remote needs. We ensure reliability, precision, and security you can trust. Key duplication, accurate and fast copying for all types of keys. Remote programming, advanced programming for car remotes, home systems, and access cards. Remote repair, restoring old or damaged remotes to full functionality. Battery replacement, quick and reliable battery change to keep your remote working anytime. Protective covers and upgrades, stylish designs that safeguard and modernize your remote. With our expertise and state-of-the-art technology, your satisfaction is our priority. Contact us today and experience service you can depend on.